Hyderabad is a place where people from different states come and stay. Some of them stay in co-live, some of them stay in hostels, some of them take rooms. But this is for those parents whose children are staying in hostels. If your daughter is living in Hyderabad and hostel right now, listen to this closely. There are 62% chances her building has failed a major safety audit. The police and GHMC dropped some terrifying data under Project Safety, and they have given all hostel owners a strict ultimatum of 2 months to fix it. Now this wasn't just a random inspection. Over 9 intensive weekends, 10 specialized audit teams made of 35 dedicated volunteers, SHE teams and interns physically went out and aggressively inspected 447 women hostels across Hyderabad. They graded everything from structural engineering to basic hygiene. And here is the reality check on what they found. A shocking 62% of these hostels scored below 40 on safety. They are severely underprotected. Out of those 447 hostels, 97% have claimed to have CC cameras. But shockingly, the volunteers found that 1 out of 3 of those cameras is completely dead. It is just there sitting. Only 38% have fire extinguishers. Not a single inspected hostel had an actual fire escape plan. This means if there is a fire incident, the hostelers don't know how to exit. Over 57% don't even have a proper compound wall, leaving the building wide open. The authorities are completely done playing nice. Police Commissioner VC Sajnar and GHMC Commissioner RV Karnan are drawing a hard line now. Hostels are businesses, not just random tenancies. If they don't have a municipal trade license and FSSAI food safety license, they are running an illegal operation. So if you are a parent or a resident, here is what exactly you have to do today. First, this is a checklist from the Police Commissioner VC Sajnar. Ask for the Form A. Has the management registered their hostel with the police station? It's mandatory now. Test the gates. Are both the front and back doors guarded 24/7? Are the main gates locked tight at night? Check the bathrooms. Look closely at the windows and fixtures. The police are demanding the safe bathrooms concept to stop structural privacy breaches. Look for the emergency board. There should be a highly visible board at reception with direct numbers for SHE teams, police and fire department. Next comes the GHMC checklist from Commissioner RV Karnan. Show the licenses. Ask them to show their municipal trade licenses and food safety certificate. If they can't show you the kitchen and the building aren't legally cleared, who is working there? Demand to know if the managers, cleaners and security staff have undergone proper police background verification. Are the cameras actually recording? Don't just look at the cameras on the wall. Ask the warden if it is actively recording or just sitting there for show put up. The clock is officially ticking. Hostel managements have exactly 2 months to fix their structural and security flaws, or they'll face legal shutdown. Phase 2 is coming and it's only going to get tougher because, let's be real, providing a safe place for young people to stay isn't just a business and responsibility. This is with someone who needs to check their hostel today. Stay safe, Hyderabad.